Good morning, students. Today we will read A sound words blending with AG egg. Okay, students. First of all, we will know the phonic sounds of these letters. Yes. What is the phonic sound of B? B. What is the phonic sound of G? G. H? H. N? N. S? S. T? T. W, W, L, L, R, R. Okay, students, we know what is the phonic sound of AG, egg. So, how you will read? Look at here. B, egg, bag. G, egg, gag. H, egg, hag. N, egg, nag. S, egg, sag.